Hey everybody, and welcome to Papa Knows Stuff. I got a quick little unboxing this morning. This is something I bought, I think it was 2 days ago. I want to show you what it is, and then I will show you what I'm going to do with it. Okay. Now, this is a pack of Solar Post cap lights. It's not sponsored, it's just I bought these, okay? Now, there's 4 of them in the package, and they're solar powered. So, what they look like, let's see what they look like. There's a couple of packages of fasteners here if you need them. I don't think I'm going to need them. But there's 2 in each one of these wraps. And there is a set of instructions, although I'm not so sure why I would need instructions to install these, but to each their own. Here's what they look like. Right. There's the solar panel top, okay? And they have a nice base here. And I guess you can put this base right on top of your post. You can screw it in from the top, or you can screw it in from the sides, whatever you prefer. I'll probably go with the top. That way, it's just easier. And then I didn't realize this, but this has teeth underneath it. And these are going to rotate right inside the cap, like that. Right, and that's not going to come off. Okay? Pretty simple, right? See how it goes under there? And it just rotates. So, there's 4 of these beauties. There's 2. 3 and 4. And I've just got the perfect 4 spots for these. We're going to get them outside, get them charged up, and we'll check them out at night. But that's the unboxing. Looks like a pretty cool and nifty product. I am going to take these off to start letting them charge. The little plastic covers. Film. Or as my dad would have called it, film. Hey, you got any film in there? Well, here's the film. All right, that's it. I will shoot an extension to this video, and we'll just go right into the install a little bit later. Thanks for watching. All right, our first stop is going to be right over here, right on this one. We're just going to put 2 screws in it. And then we'll put the light on top of it so it can charge. But that's certainly not going to go anywhere. And this light just twists in here like I showed you a little earlier in the video. Just like that. And that's all she wrote, and that one is done. This is the old cap that was on here. It's all rotted out. Now this one here I'm replacing because it kind of fell and broke over the winter, and the light isn't as good as it used to be. So again, we're just going to put the cap on the top here. We're going to put 2 screws in it, and that's going to be the end of it. Really couldn't be any easier. That's it. And that's it. Now you're supposed to be able to change the color of these lights. I don't know how to do that yet, but I will figure it out. Looks like there's a switch in here for on-off. So, yeah, on. That's the soft white. That's both. I'm going to try both of them. I'm probably going to have to, now I'm going to have to go over to the fish pond and adjust that one. But that's number 2 we put in. This one's going to go on top of the post here that I used to put some flowers on. There's some old glue. That's not going to be in the way. Yeah. Okay. This is going to go on top, just like the other ones. And it's going to get screwed down. Be a little tougher because I can't see as well up here. Nope. There's one. And now I'll put the other one up there. I think I'll do this one by feel. Right here. Okay. Let me get the piece to clip on there. I'm going to put one more screw in there. Got one side, looks like it's sticking up a little bit here. I don't like it. I'm just gonna yeah, that one looks much better. That's that one. Now I gotta get in here a little bit and cut some of these branches out of the way to get to this last one. Hopefully that's going to be a success for me. I need some room to get in here. The big body's going to be in the way for a few minutes here. My apologies. Just clearing this up a little bit here for you. Have to see if that top's going to come off. I'm not sure if the top's going to come off of that or not. Yep, that's off. I don't know if you can be able to see that. I know I'm definitely going to get in your way. But this should absorb some sunlight during the day to be able to light up at night. That's that. We'll put this top on here and that'll be the end of it. That's it. That's all she wrote, man. You see that? Thanks for watching.